Hello traders, in this video we welcome you to Nortenway, a gateway to a world of endless financial possibilities where innovation meets expertise. Today, we're not just introducing you to a platform, we're inviting you to explore a sophisticated ecosystem designed to elevate your financial ventures. Whether you're an experienced trader, a business professional looking to expand your horizons, or someone just beginning to navigate the complex world of investments, Nortenway is your trusted partner in this journey. Imagine a platform where every decision you make is supported by cutting-edge technology and deep industry insight. At Nortenway, we've built more than just a trading platform. We've constructed a foundation where artificial intelligence meets human expertise, creating a seamless environment for making deals, exploring opportunities, and achieving financial success. This is where your financial future starts to take shape. Let's begin by exploring what sets Nortenway apart. We understand that the financial world is vast and often intimidating, filled with complexities that can challenge even the most seasoned professionals. That's why we've dedicated ourselves to not only understanding your needs but anticipating them. With years of experience advising clients on business mergers and acquisitions, investment research, and financial analysis, our team at Nortenway is well equipped to provide you with the insights and tools you need to make informed decisions. Whether it's a strategic business move or a critical investment, Nortenway is here to guide you every step of the way. But we don't stop at just providing advice. Nortenway's services are designed to lead the way in financial services, offering you a suite of tools and resources that are as robust as they are innovative. Our platform is equipped with advanced features, including AI-driven analytics that help you stay ahead of market trends and make data-driven decisions with confidence. This isn't just about trading, it's about transforming the way you engage with the financial markets. Now, let's talk about security, a cornerstone of Nortenway's commitment to our users. In an era where digital transactions are the norm, safeguarding your information is more important than ever. At Nortenway, we take your security and privacy seriously. Every piece of information, from transaction history to data encryptions, is meticulously stored and protected within our secure database. In addition to our cutting-edge technology and robust security measures, Nortenway offers a trading academy, a place where learning and growing go hand in hand. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your strategies, our professional staff is ready to assist you. Imagine having access to a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips, with experts who are eager to help you navigate the intricacies of trading. Our Trading Academy isn't just a resource. It's a community, a place where your growth is nurtured every step of the way. As you consider your financial future, imagine investing with a platform that is not only authorized but regulated under stringent European financial security standards. Nortenway operates under the European Financial Security with reference number HE845161, ensuring that your investments are handled with the highest level of integrity and transparency. This regulatory oversight isn't just a formality, it's a commitment to maintaining the trust and confidence that our clients place in us. And it's not just about what we can do for you today, it's about where we can take you tomorrow. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and with Nortenway, you have a partner who evolves with it. Our innovative approach, combined with our deep-rooted expertise, ensures that you're always one step ahead, ready to seize new opportunities as they arise. Join us at Nortenway, where your financial future isn't just a possibility, but a reality waiting to be realized. Welcome to a new way of thinking about finance. Welcome to Nortenway. Happy trading.